I just turn it on and can take it anywhere. It's powerful enough to light up the workspace. Hey, I'm Flo, and I show people that even as a beginner, without having learned a trade, you can achieve solid results if you really want to and take the time. At some point on a job site, you always run into the problem of not having power. That means you still need some kind of lighting, and a portable solution is ideal. A product like the Worklight battery is perfect for that, battery-powered and optimal for the purpose. I already use other battery-operated machines and tools, so it fits right in. And if the job takes longer, there's also a version with a cord. With an extension cord, you can easily run power from another room and have light well into the late evening. You probably know the situation, just a single E27 socket hanging from the ceiling. That's where the high bay blade light comes in. It's a great option with 3 adjustable wings. It gives you excellent room lighting right away, even during a move. Just screw it in like a regular bulb with an E27 socket, and you're good to go. This kind of thing is part of my toolkit. I need it again and again. Not permanently in one room, but it comes in handy often. And beyond all the daily tasks on the job site, you eventually start thinking, hey, where can we improve energy efficiency? In our house, like in most basements, there were some old fluorescent tubes. We switched to something more energy efficient, the OSRAM LED Tube T8. It's a great energy saving option and helps us cut costs. Of course, lighting doesn't stop indoors. Eventually, you get to the outdoor area. In our wood shelter, we installed the Endura floodlight. It gives off super bright light, just what I need in that spot. Ideal, we've already done a ton of work and still have plenty ahead of us. But OSRAM's Worklights are absolutely indispensable.